Trying to make some decisions on training this year? This short 2-minute video will explore frequently asked questions about the Consultative Selling course. Review this video as a quick overview, and then download the complete sales training workshop planner for more details. Check out the Sales Playbook certification option as well. Consultative selling is designed for sales professionals looking to refresh their tactical and strategic selling skills. This blended learning program includes e-learning classes, as well as 4 optional online coaching workshops. When completed, the learner will have a selling system that is client-focused and solutions-based. Participants will share a common sales approach that will level set both selling skills and knowledge. This workshop is a good first workshop in skill building a professional sales team. At the same time, it recognizes the various experience levels of all participants and right-sizes the content to ensure participant engagement at all professional levels. By choosing the optional coaching workshops, your coach will help you apply the concepts, selling systems and tools to your sales playbook. Here is a quick overview of the course content. In Session 1, participants will create a learning plan for a professional selling career, review the various professional sales programs and test knowledge and skills against professional best practices. Under Session 2, participants will learn the building blocks of consultative selling, pitching your unique value proposition, persuasion skills, and the purchase decision. Under Session 3, participants will learn the 9 steps of the consultative sales call, client social styles, persuasion sales tips, closing skills with a client commitment, negotiation skills, and handling objections. In Session 4, participants will receive the templates and tools to build a territory, prospect, account, and sales call plan. Smart goal setting will be introduced as a foundational tool to improve sales performance in the planning process. COVID-19 is changing the way your clients purchase. Making the investment to revisit your sales approach and align it with your customer's new purchase path is a logical next step. Download our sales training workshop planner to further explore your training options.